Sexual assault survivors are fighting back against a controversial law enforcement practice, which they say helps attackers avoid justice. Exceptional clearance is what it's called. It allows unsolved cases to be closed if a victim is deemed uncooperative or a district attorney declines to prosecute. 2017, more than 40% of closed rape cases nationwide were exceptionally cleared. Nikki Battiste met one survivor for our Eye on America series. Nikki, good morning to you. What did she tell you?
Gayle, good morning. Emily Borchardt was 21 years old when she says she was in a rideshare to her college apartment when two men abducted her and drove her to a Motel 6. She says a third man there then raped her over 12 hours. That man was never prosecuted in Borchardt's assault, and the case was exceptionally cleared despite DNA evidence.
The man behind me grabs my throat and I go unconscious.
23-year-old Emily Borchardt says she pleaded to be let go the night she was allegedly raped in an Austin, Texas motel.
I just remember sitting in the corner of the room telling them to just kill me.
According to Borchardt, the man gave her cigarettes and whiskey and demanded that she shower with him. Borchardt escaped, called police, and had a rape kit done. Her alleged attacker was on parole after serving 20 years for murder. He denied knowing her, but after DNA linked them, the man claimed the sex was consensual. Borchardt's lawyers asked us to blur his face for her protection. The suspect was never arrested. Police suggest why in this audio recording from the precinct.
Taking a shower with him, consuming whiskey in the shower with him together, it doesn't paint the best picture.
The police act like that was consensual when really I was trying to prevent being assaulted again because him talking was better than him physically hurting me.
Police exceptionally cleared Borchardt's case. That's when cases can be closed if the victim is uncooperative or a district attorney declines to prosecute.
Exceptional clearance is not being used correctly.
Liz Donegan, now retired, is former head of the sex crimes unit at the Austin Police Department.
The public's perception about exceptional clearance is that the case has been closed, it's been cleared, we've held somebody accountable.
Which couldn't be further from the truth.
Right.
Donegan tells CBS News she refused to change rape cases from suspended to exceptionally cleared. She was eventually transferred out of the unit in 2011, 7 years before Borchardt's alleged assault. At any moment, did you ever feel that the authorities believed you?
I think they know there was a crime committed against me and don't like to prosecute these types of cases.
The office of Travis County District Attorney Margaret Moore made the decision not to prosecute Borchardt's case. Are you ever deciding not to prosecute because you want to keep your record the best possible because you're worried you may not get a conviction?
No. We've taken cases to trial during my administration where we've gotten not guilties, but we believed in the case. The jury didn't.
While Borchardt's alleged rapist walks free, she's dealing with trauma.
It's so terrible, people can't even hear it. But I have to live with it.
Moore refused to discuss Borchardt's case because Borchardt and 7 other women are suing Moore and Austin law enforcement over how their cases were handled. An Austin City spokesperson speaking on behalf of the police department told CBS News the city is voluntarily undergoing a third-party review of its training and policies regarding sexual assault cases. And Emily and the other women in this lawsuit say they just want to be believed.
Of course.
Yeah.
That's a very messed up system when you hear what she's saying. She wants his face blurred because she's still concerned for her safety, and he's walking around.
Yeah. And he's a convicted murderer.
Exceptional clearance.
I had never heard of that.
I
Never heard of it
either.
before, but
Nor had I, and it's extremely important to know about.
prevents a day in court. Nikki, thank you very much.